What's up, it's your boy JRDNROB and welcome back to my channel. If you love all things fashion, lifestyle, mental health with a little bit of bullshit, then this is the place for you. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on my post notifications so you'll be notified every time I post.
Only been days but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like months. Life move fast when you do what you want.
While the minute I get ready to record, my battery dead for my camera. Like, are you cool? So let's get this out and then I can finish on my phone. So this video is going to be like a little cooking video, cooking with JRDNROB. Today we're gonna make a basic stir fry with noodles, lo mein stir fry instead of fried rice. Yeah, and we just gonna get into that. But let's put my battery from my camera on the charger and let it charge for a little bit. I'm actually not gonna vlog off my phone, but just let it charge. Before we go though, I am boiling the noodles right now, so y'all probably won't see that. Y'all just see us cooking the vegetables and putting everything together. Okay, I'm back. We let the camera charge for a little bit because this meal is super fast and I'm ready to eat. So, like I said, we're making lo mein stir fry. I don't even know if I really gotta call it that. And we're making vegetable stir fry, no meat involved. So I got my vegetables, cleaned them, and put them in this strainer. I put them all together because they're all about to cook at the same time. And we got broccoli, snap peas, carrots, onion, and bell pepper. I'm gonna let y'all see. Okay, so we're just gonna saute them, and then I made the seasoning. I use garlic powder, onion powder. I got this garlic herb seeds by McCormick. I use that. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, it's called roasted garlic and, excuse me, herb. Why my camera not focusing? I don't know what's up with that. And a little bit of Old Bay, because you know I need some spice. So right now we're about to saute our vegetables. Okay, so the lo mein stir fry, whatever you want to call it, is done. I did want to add some spice to it, like a hot sauce, but I didn't have none. So I just opened this spicy chili sriracha sauce from Starbucks that I got the other day. I'm just gonna pour this over it. It's a little packet, so it probably ain't gonna do too much to it, hopefully. It is sriracha though. And y'all see me put brown sugar in it. Just trust the process, y'all. Just trust the process. Like, you don't want it to be too tangy or too salty with the soy sauce, so just trust the process. Okay, so now that I put that on, let's just stir it up again. I just know it's gonna be good, y'all, because everything I cook is good. This is crazy though, because I didn't even think that I would cook anything today either. And then I was like, I'm gonna make some fried rice. And I was like, nope, I don't feel like waiting on the rice to cook. So let's do lo mein instead. Same type of vibe, just a different grain. So it's done. Now we're finna make us a bowl and we're watching a movie on Netflix, so we're finna eat and have movie night. Okay y'all, and unfortunately my camera battery is red again, but the food is done. It's in the bowl and I want to taste it with y'all. Yeah, I'm eating with a plastic fork. And who gonna check me, boo? This is my shit. But I want to taste it with y'all so y'all can get my first reaction. And then we're just gonna watch this movie. I forgot the name of it, but it's the movie with Will Smith on it. In it, I mean, on Netflix. It's the new movie.
Why would you ever want to leave here?
Oh, man.
That's why.
Hey.
Oh, it's you. Well, hello, Mother. Still selling shit, huh?
Don't test me, dear. I'm still a damn good shot.
These are your grandkids. Please don't shoot them.
Good. As fuck.
They're so much bigger than they are in their picture.
Real good.
Yes. Massive.
Honestly, ain't no recipe for me to drop. Like, y'all should just cook the whole thing.
Hello, dear.
How you doing?
But I will try to leave some details down in the description box for y'all so y'all can cook this if you want it. Real healthy, but I don't know if it's healthy. All just sodium. But real easy dish, real quick dish.
No.
Just a little something so you don't gotta spend no money and you can stay home and enjoy the peacefulness and the solitude of your house. So, if you like this video, wait a minute. Wait. Fixate. Which bitch you know made a milli off a mixtape?
Don't go in there. Don't touch.
These Fever Tree drinks are so good. I'm addicted. But I was saying, y'all, the camera died right in my face. So I'm on the phone to close the vlog out. But as I was saying, if you like this video, please like it and share it and drop a comment down below. We got more videos like this to come. Quick little easy recipes, because my friends be saying they like when I cook and I should vlog me cooking. So hey, I vlogged just a cooking video. But JRDNROB is out. Look at the dishes in the sink, y'all. Who want to come wash them for me?
Nigel has the key.
Tell Nigel to close the barrier now.
Nigel, close the barriers.
Yes, you got it. I can do that.